Hello and welcome to Learning Python tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to write data into file. So in first tutorial, we are going to deal with text file, and in next tutorial, we will be dealing with binary data. So let's start. I'm going to create new Python file. I'm going to name it as file handling demo 1. All right. So first of all, let's create one file. So first, we will try to read the data from text file. So what I'm going to do is I'm again going to right click and I'm going to create new text file. Let's name it as temp.txt. And here, let's write something. Okay, so I have two lines written in this file. Let's close this file. Now, to start with, what I need to do is let's create one variable that is file. Let's open here in parameter. I'm supposed to give file name. So if here I can write directly temp.txt because file is present in the same directory. In your case, if file is in another place, then you can write complete absolute path here, and then Python will try to open that file. Now I want to print. So first, let's look at simple option. So I'm going to call f dot read, and I'm not going to pass anything. So it will try to read whole data. And last statement is going to be f dot close. Let's try to run this. So here we are printing the data that we are reading from that file object. So yeah, so we are able to read the file, text file as it is. So we opened the file and we printed. Now there is another option where, so if we don't want to close this file explicitly, there is one more option that we can choose. So we can write with open as f, and here I can use f. Now what happens is as soon as this block is finished, this object, this file object, this is closed automatically. So this is like closable interface that we have in Java. So we don't have to explicitly close this resource. Okay. And if I run this, and it will print the same thing. Okay. So this is how we can read simple data from the file. Okay. Suppose if I want to read first few bytes, first few characters from the file, let's write 5 here. Okay, so it has read 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 characters from the 5. If I change it to 10, it will try to read 10 characters. So here, in parameter, you can pass the number of characters that you want to read. Okay, with this, again, now if I want to write data into file, then what I need to do is I need to pass. So by default, this when we open the file, it has opened into read mode. Now here in second parameter, I'm going to pass w, which stands for we are opening file for writing, and then now we are going to write something in that file. Okay, so now what we are going to do is we are going to write. Let's try to write first. Writing from Python. Let's run this. Let's open this file. Okay, so it has overwritten the data that we initially wrote. So suppose if you want to open file for appending, then you need to pass here a. So instead of w, you pass a, and now you can see we already written this line, writing second line from Python. Now expectation is, yeah, so you can see it has written right next to the previous data. Now if you want to write this line on the next, then what you can do is you can simply put new line here and run this code. And here you will see a line is written on the next line. Okay, so this is how append mode works, write mode works, and we have seen read mode. And suppose if you want to create a file with this name, then we use x as a parameter. But what will happen? It will complain that file exists. So let's say if I put temp1 here. Okay, so you can see temp1 is created here with new file name. So basically it is used for creation, and if file already exists, then it will complain. So this was about parameter x. And last is that if you want to delete the file, then we need to use import os And then what we need to do is os.remove. So let's have parameter here, file name equal to temp1.txt, file name here also, let's pass this file name. So now you can see it's not complaining. Yeah, it's going to every time we run the program, the file is going to get deleted. If I comment this line, you can see here, as soon as I run this file is deleted. All right. So this was about simple file handling, text file handling in Python. Next chapter, we'll see how to read binary data, how to deal with binary data in Python. Thanks for watching my video.